Right about.
Oh, up and away.
0 outs.
All right, so here we are, April 16th, I think. And Kyle is pitching.
I don't know. It's pouring down rain.
I don't know if we can see this. It's pouring down rain. Bases are loaded. It's the top of the 6th inning.
Is it bases loaded? Oh, jeez.
Bases are loaded. We're up by 1 run and they bring in Kyle. Boo. No. No pressure. No pressure, Kyle. Oh, and this is the kid who drove one to left earlier. No.
At this point, it doesn't matter. It's Kyle's big day.
That's right. Come on, Kyle. Hopefully you can see this. Nice pitch, buddy! 8 more like that, buddy.
Crazy dad.
Watch the ball.
Come on, Kyle. Got to find the strike zone.
Quinn, watch.
You got to cover the plate, Kyle. Find the strike zone, buddy. Just give him something to hit, buddy.
I know, but how much are they just
Up, Kyle!
Kyle does better under pressure. Yeah, it is. They pray for rain. Nice.
Oh!
Looking good.
That looked pretty good. The home team.
I thought it was home team advantage. Come on.
Come on, Kyle. Just put it in there, buddy.